Yo, what's up, guys? I know the lighting here is absolute garbage right now. It's because this light up here is out and this one's out. That one's on, but it's like really dim. But yeah, so I've seen this everywhere on these like Pennywise voice trolling videos and some of the costume design ones. People are always wondering, how the heck do you do the creepy smile?
All right, let me get in the character real quick. How do you do the lip thing?
All right, here we go.
Like, I'll put an image right here. This creepy clown smile that Bill Skarsgård does. Everybody's wondering how to do it, and I have figured out myself how to do it. And I'll be showing you guys. You only need to be able to do two things. One is drop your lip down like this. Like, just, if you can do this, then you can do it. Because the only other thing you have to do is just smile. So the first thing you're going to have to do is drop your lip down like this. And then you are going to lift up your cheeks like you are smiling like this. And just hold your lip down as you are doing that. And it should end up like this. Yo, here's it with better lighting, because it kind of sucks. Now, I'm not in full clown makeup, so it doesn't look just like the movie. But I'm going to do like a Halloween video for you guys, because why not, bro? Like, it's going to come out after Halloween, but it'll show me in full clown makeup. I already got the costume on right now, but you know. Yeah, all you had to do is just, it's easy as that. I might put like a little slow motion thing with like the steps or something just on the screen somewhere, but it's just that easy. But most people can't do it, but in case this helps, you know, there you go. You got it now. Just 2 steps. So, yeah, happy Halloween, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.